Hey guys, today we're going to make a very quick kimchi fried rice. The beauty about kimchi fried rice is that it's so easy to make. You don't need the best kimchi. You can go out and get that crappy store-bought stuff, bring it home and whip up a very nice, delicious kimchi fried rice. No problem. Grab a little Spam or whatever meat substitute that you might want to use, green onion, sesame oil, some dehydrated rice, and a fried egg. Let's prep. First thing I'm gonna do is actually get my Spam. Spam is a wonderful product and Koreans actually love their Spam. So if you're a Spam hater, well, you can just use something else. But, ooh, Spam is delicious. I actually saw David Chang, the famous Korean-American restaurateur, use some Spam in his kimchi fried rice. I tried it out and it's fantastic. So after you open it, just pound the bottom of it like I guess you would a bottle of Heinz ketchup or something. I don't know. Yeah, there we go. Boom. Spam is so delicious in your kimchi fried rice because when you fry the stuff up, it's not only is it delicious, it also can get this nice crispiness to the exterior, which gives your kimchi fried rice a very nice texture. It's a good texture element and also great source of processed protein. Anyways, see, if you notice, there's actually some lines on the Spam here. You can notice some faint lines. So you can cut some nice, even cubes of Spam. I actually just noticed that now, and genius. Thank you, people at Hormel, for putting those lines there because that's pretty smart. Makes my life a little easier. And now I'll have nice uniform cubes of delicious Spam. Next, we're just gonna slice it like this. Hey Lily. Lily's right here, by the way, my dog. And just gonna get some delicious squares. 1, 2, 3, okay. And then delicious squares. All right, let's grab our Spam, put it in a bowl. Hey, Lil. Great, Spam. Put that aside. All right, next on the list here, just cut some green onions. A lot of green onions are used in Korean cuisine. This dish, no exception. Take some of those, boom, plop them in a bowl so we can easily put them in our sauteing pan or wok or whatever you're using. Next, we're gonna cut up some kimchi. Here I have my homemade kimchi. It's the bomb, my mom's recipe. I have a kimchi recipe video. You can look for that and learn how to make a delicious kimchi if you don't already know how. If you have homemade kimchi, great. If you got some store-bought crappy kimchi, that's great too. And if it's a little bit sour, even better. So we're gonna have some kimchi and we're gonna chop it up. Now, do have to warn you guys, I suggest using some sort of crappy cutting board that you don't mind getting stained. I got my plastic one here. Kimchi juice will stain your surfaces. I noticed one time that on my granite surface there was like an orange blotch because I guess some kimchi juice laid on it for a few hours overnight. I don't know, but anyways, it sucks, it's ugly, so just heed my warning. Okay, got some tongs and I'm gonna tong out some kimchi. Ooh, that's some delicious looking kimchi right there. That's the homemade stuff, so this kimchi fried rice is gonna be extra delicious. So all of the delicious flavor of the kimchi fried rice really just basically comes from the kimchi that we have chopped up here and the delicious Spam. This is dehydrated rice. This is leftover from last night. Dehydrated rice is the best to use when making any sort of fried rice. Texturally, you're gonna have the best fried rice using day-old rice. All right, so the heat is at high and I'm gonna throw down some sesame oil. Sesame oil and fried kimchi are friends. And then after the oil is heated, I'm gonna add my chopped up kimchi from my stained plastic cutting board. I think that's enough. I'm kind of winging it. You can just wing it too. Let's fry this up a bit. And I got my dehydrated rice. Throw that in there. I think I can use all of it. Let's use all of it. The rice is taking on that nice red kimchi color. If you want real big kimchi flavor, add some of that kimchi juice. Let's get some more of that kimchi juice in there. I think we need a little more juicy loving. Give it a little more flavor. Make sure you don't go kissing your mom or your girlfriend or the person you're dating or your wife or your husband or whatever or whoever after you have this nice kimchi fried rice, because kimchi is very garlicky and it's likely you're gonna have some pretty terrible kimchi breath after you eat a bowl of this. But if you and your wife or your girlfriend or your boyfriend, if both of you guys eat this and you kiss each other afterwards, well then the garlicky kimchi breath cancels each other out. So it's totally okay to be kissing each other after that, so long as the other person has eaten kimchi and has the kimchi breath too. Just saying, you know. Now we're gonna add our green onions. I don't even need to taste this. I already know that it's delicious. You know what? Let's taste it, just in case. Ah, delicious. So easy. But we're gonna make it even more delicious. So I'm just gonna set this aside for a moment. Okay, here we got a fresh pan. Put it up to high heat. Add some oil. This time I just got regular vegetable oil. Okay, here's our beautiful Spam. And let's just add that in. Okay, look at that. I think we're good. Our Spam is looking great. Spam pan, rice pan. Now let's just take our nice, greasy, delicious, caramelized Spam, some of that oil over there, plop it over. That can just hang out for a little bit. Drop the heat. We're gonna fry some eggs. You all know how to make eggs, right? So we can skip this part. Oh, and that's it. That's all you gotta do. So easy, super delicious. Here's our pan. Let's plate it. Oh yeah. This is gonna make your family really happy. Okay, lovely, lovely, lovely. Awesome, awesome. Kimchi fried rice. And let's just throw on some eggs there. Let's make this the ultimate and add a whole bunch of eggs. Put in a couple more. 3 should do. Let's do 3. Put this aside. Put some green onions just to add a little freshness, add a little color to our plate. Okay, great. Now we got to add a little texture by throwing on some of these white sesame seeds here. Oh yeah, that's it. Ooh, should we add black ones too? Let's add black. Doesn't matter if you're black or white. Boom. Beautiful. There you have it. A friggin' delicious kimchi fried rice, Spam, kimchi eggs. Perfect symmetrical egg circle thing. Let's eat it. Delicious. I had a couple bites already because I had to get the food porn shot. It's really good. This egg, the kimchi, the Spam, it all goes together so nicely. So make sure, oh, look at that. Delicious. Even if you don't like Spam, try it with an open mind. Maybe you like it. Even if you think you don't like it and you've never tried it, give it a try. Fried egg is a must. You know, it's perfect because kimchi is pretty strong in flavor, but when you mix it with the rice like this, it's not a very strong kimchi flavor. You definitely taste kimchi, but it's not overpowering. The egg yolk adds a nice creaminess to a few bites, and you get that crispy texture from the Spam, and the Spam also gives it a nice saltiness, a nice salty, meaty flavor. You could sell this at a restaurant. It'd be a hit. All right, I'm gonna eat as much as I can here and then pass out on my couch from a satisfying kimchi fried rice. So thanks for watching, you guys, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care now. Bye.